Gamber-Johnson offers bumper-to-bumper mounting and vehicle equipment solutions for several of the most popular public safety fleet vehicles. This includes the highly sought-after Chevrolet Tahoe 2021 in its newest body style. Gamber-Johnson offers rugged push bumpers for the Chevrolet Tahoe in steel and lightweight aluminum. These push bumpers are designed with a flat crossbar, providing ample mounting space for lights and sirens. The aluminum and steel push bumpers are available with a light crossbar when additional lighting is needed. Horizontally mounted side light brackets can easily be added for increased visibility when rounding corners and crossing intersections. Window barriers are available in rugged steel window bars and polycarbonate window guards to meet your fleet's specific needs. Both window barrier options provide airflow and ample visibility. Our universal light mount brackets easily mount to the window barriers for a lighted solution, and they're compatible with lights from the leading public safety lighting manufacturers. The 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe wide-body console box maximizes mounting space between the vehicle seats. The standard and the printer mount options are available in a wide-body design. A narrow console box design is available if extra clearance is needed. Regardless of the console design that you choose, all Gamber-Johnson consoles come standard with our dual cup and pen holders. We also offer several faceplate options to customize your console with your preferred equipment. Next, we have our Gamber-Johnson passenger partition. It provides a layer of protection between the driver and rear passenger while maintaining clear visibility through the scratch-resistant polycarbonate window. Several design options are available to provide additional airflow if needed, while keeping the officer safe. Single or dual gun mounts can be easily installed on the center extension located in the middle of the partition. Gamber-Johnson's mesh cargo partition provides a rugged and reliable barrier between the cargo area and the vehicle passengers. It is compatible with the Gamber-Johnson trunk box, a locking storage solution for gear and equipment. The locking trunk box is an essential organization and safety addition for any pursuit SUV used in modern law enforcement departments. The transition to SUV platforms has led to cargo area clutter. Not only is this an inefficiency that the trunk box can clean up, but it is also a safety hazard. Gamber-Johnson is always concerned with officer and passenger safety, and keeping your gear securely mounted is our key objective to reduce the risk of injury. To learn more about Gamber-Johnson's total vehicle solutions, visit Gamber-Johnson.com.